Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the alarm on your Casio A100. So I'm also going to show you how to turn it on and off, and also the hourly beep, and also how to set the alarm. So what you want to do is to press the lower button on the left side in order to toggle between the options. Now the alarm function is going to be the first one. Here you have a few options. In case your alarm is already set to the desired hour, you can press the button on the right corner in order to turn on the alarm. As you can see, we have a symbol right here. This stands for the alarm. If I press it one more time, we are going to have a small bell that signals that the hourly beep is on. If I press it one more time, both the alarm and the hourly beep are going to be on. And if I press it once again, they are both going to be switched off. Now, in order to set the alarm, we are going to press the upper button on the left side. And as you can see, we will see the hours flashing, flickering. This signals that we can adjust the hours. Now, you can only go forward, so we can go one by one, or I can also press and hold. So it is going to show me, let's say 5 p.m. So we have a small p right here. But let's say I want to make it 7 a.m. So 7 in the morning. And then I'm going to press the upper button on the left side once again in order to also adjust the minutes. You can either go one by one or press and hold. Once again, you can only go forward, so in only one direction. And if I press the upper left button one more time, the alarm is going to be set. Now, something really important to know is that when you set an alarm, the alarm will automatically be activated. So as you can see right here, we have the symbol for the alarm. So in case you want to switch it off, you need to use this button in order to switch it off. And these symbols are also going to remain on your home screen. So if you see any of these two symbols on the top right corner, you will know that either the alarm or the hourly beep are on, or both, as you see right here, are on. So I'm going to go once again to the alarm settings, and I'm going to switch them off in case that is what I want. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again, and we are going to arrive at the home screen. Just a quick tip for you guys, you can actually look on the back of the watch to see what these 4 buttons mean. Now, as you can see, the mode right here is on the right side. So when I flip the watch around, it is going to correspond to the left side. So this is going to be our mode button. Guys, if you found this video useful, please consider hitting the thanks button and supporting our channel. This way we can keep creating free content for watch lovers just like you. Now I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio A100, link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Also how to set the time and date and to use the chrono functions, so the stopwatch. And I also am going to post a full guide with how to replace the watch battery, since you have to do this every 3 years. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.